Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook frozen chicken thighs in the air fryer. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. Well, these are the boneless chicken thighs that we've got from Iceland. They're southern fried, so think a KFC taste. And we're going to be showing you how quick you can cook these in the air fryer. Your air fryer basket. Put as many that will fit evenly in your air fryer basket. You might need to do 2 batches if you've got a small air fryer. As you can see, we can get quite a bit in ours, and we are using the Philips Air Fryer XL for this recipe. Let's fit those in like that. Don't look too bad there. Still got a few little bits in the bag. I think we can manage that one as well. And then we've got 2 more pieces left for later. They're a bit, they'd overfill the air fryer basket a bit too much, so I'm not going to put them in with them. And then you close your basket. Turn on your air fryer, and you're looking for a temperature of 190 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, which you can see it's already at. And then you're looking for a cook time of 12 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. And wow. Don't know. Those boneless chicken thighs look impressive. Well, even though they look impressive now, I know how to make them even more impressive. And that is by spraying with some extra virgin olive oil, because this helps crisp them up. And then putting them back on for another 3 minutes at a higher temperature. And this will really make them amazing. And we've baked. Wow. Now that is amazing. Southern fried chicken thighs. What's so good about this is that it tastes just like KFC but without the price tag. I mean, we paid, I think it was £3 for a big bag of this. And you know how much you pay at KFC for the equivalent, and then if you do yourself some frozen fries in the air fryer as well, you've got yourself a KFC boneless bucket. And this is one of the yummy frozen chicken thighs, obviously not frozen anymore, perfectly cooked in the air fryer. So let's see how it tastes, shall we? That is really nice, and I'll tell you, if I had my eyes closed, I would seriously think I was eating some boneless chicken from KFC. I can't believe how close it is to the real thing and how delicious it is. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.